Hello friends, welcome to my channel Avni Art and Crafts. So today we are going to make these beautiful butterflies. They are very easy and very useful because we can use them for our home decoration, for card decoration and for gift decoration. So let us start making. So the materials required are colorful papers, Fevicol and scissors. So let us start making. So for making it, I have taken these two papers. It is of 2 centimeter into 6 centimeter and it is of 2 centimeter into 7 centimeter. So we have to fold it here like this. Like this, we have to fold the both of the two. And we have to take pencil and make here this round like structure in both of them. Like this, and now we have to cut it like this, and we will also cut this. So like this you can see. Now we have to aside it and take 6 centimeter into 10 centimeter paper. And now what we have to do is, now we have to fold it here like this and again fold it here. So when we will fold it, we have to press this upper side only, we have not to press this lower side. And when we will open it like this, we can see here two lines. Now we have to fold it again, and with the use of scale we have to draw 1 centimeter line here. Like this, I will firstly mark here 1 centimeter and then draw the line. Like this. And now here we have to make this circular like structure here, like half semicircle. And here below the line we have to make half semicircular structure. You can see here like this, we have made the circular like structure. Now we have to cut it here. Like this. Like this you can see we have cut it. Now we have made this, and now we will plot it here with the use of pencil. Same for the second one. Like this. We will make line here also, the thing which we can see. And now with the use of scissor we will plot it here and do some like this. We will press it here on the both sides. Like this. And when we will turn it, we have to do it like this. We will fold it upside, the part which we have done with scissor. Like this. We have to fold it upside, and now we have to press it like this. So like this you can see. Now we will take Fevicol and apply it here on both of the sides like this, and now press it. Like this. For making antenna, I have take this black color paper and I have made 2 circles here and a thin line here. Now we will fold it like this so it will look like it's antenna, and now we are going to paste it. So for pasting it, we will take Fevicol and apply it here like this, and now we have to put it here upside it. When it will dry, we will take here this thin strip of paper and fold it here like this. This I have pasted it and our butterfly is ready. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Avni Art and Craft. Thank you and have a nice day.